National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development Nabard ki State Credit Seminar 2026-27 ngasi pangthoktuna Manipur ki State Focus Paper 2026-27 Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan na launch tawkrai. State Focus Paper asigi matung ina state asigi oina senba chahi lising ani kungataro kungatare asida thadagadaba apunba senfam credit projection asi lupa crore lising ahumga chamnga hengani. Hariba credit projection asigi manungda lau singu baga mari lenaba thabak sing amade MSME da ahenba mitieng thamli hairi. Seminar asi Nabard Manipur Regional Office Imphal na senduna Credit Led Development in Manipur haiba thimda Imphal Hotel gi Sangai Hall da pangthokibani. Thawramaduga mari leinana chingmi singi senthok lambi fagat hannabagi pandamda Community Development Society Churachandpur na implement tawgadaba lupa crore amaga lakh humfugi tribe sign mingthonba project amasu Chief Minister na virtual gi kuthangda hongdoki. Thawramaduga mari leinana CM Khemchan na ing tapa masung chawkhotpagi khongthang asi punna chatminaba yanabagi pandamda lengak na hotnari. Khungangda leiriba miyamgi selthumgi fibam fagat hange hairabadi credit support piba haibasi yamna maru oi haiki. Manipur asi horticulture amasung handloom amadi handicraft na chingba hiram kayada potential labor state amani haiba wafam CM na thamladuna bank amasung financial institutions singna lomi amadi self help group singda achoba mateng pibatai. Masigidamak Nabard na paikhalakliba khongthang asi yamna maru oi haiki. Thawramaduda Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel, Nabard amasung RBI Imphal gi makok thongba official sing yauna mari leinaba official kayana saruk yaki.
I would like to take this opportunity to urge all banks and financial institutions to actively support our farmers, producers, organizing, rural staff and agri-entrepreneurs, self groups, etc. The state government is fully committed to working closely with the banking sector and development institutions and to improve credit absorption capacity and project implementation. My deep appreciation for the continued support extended by Nabard to the state of Manipur.